If beef rendang is a curry fit for a king, what's chicken rendang then? Hey folks, I'm Aslin Bloor from linsfood.com and Singaporean and Malaysian recipes.com, which is where today's recipe comes from. This is chicken rendang. I may have described it in the past as the pretender to the throne, but it is just as delicious as the iconic beef rendang from Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia. So what is chicken rendang? It's a curry. It's a dryish curry, traditionally pretty spicy, just like beef rendang. But, make it mild. You don't have to make it spicy. Chicken portions are cooked low and slow in a combination of coconut milk, dry fried desiccated coconut or grated coconut, we call that karisse, spices and herbs. Now, there are certain ingredients in here like galangal, lemongrass that you may or may not be familiar with, and an authentic Singaporean and Malaysian rendang has got to have turmeric leaves. Chances are that's not something you're going to be able to come across if you live outside of Asia. But if you have a green thumb or not so green thumb, turmeric leaves are very, very easy to grow in the summer months or spring months or autumn months, depending on where you live. So we're going to get straight into cooking our chicken rendang. Now, I've given you the full list of ingredients in the description, but if you want to read up more about the ingredients we use, what type of chilies, substitutes perhaps, or alternative herb to the turmeric leaf, hit the blog post and read up to your heart's content. We are going to get cooking. So there you have it, chicken rendang, the way I make it. I'm Aslan Blow. I shall catch you guys real soon.